switching on a couple of seconds later because we are in Rospina. What its claim to fame is, I'm not sure. So diligently wrote down the directions. Approximately 2 k's there should be a traffic circle. Jeez, Dust Bowl, eh? Gotta be a mining town. Got to be a mining town. There's my traffic circle. I measured it precisely from the Puma station. Should be 167 k's. I've now at 165.3. 160. 5 or 6. I was turn right here. Jolly good. And then first left. This is a mining town, and look at these little accommodations. Then I'm going to turn first left, then I'm going around a 90-degree right-hand bend. Richard, isn't this a mining town? First left, okay, well that's interesting, there we go, first left is blocked off. Well, you never know what's going to happen, eh? Oh God, okay. First left is blocked off. I better tell Google Maps. Can't use that road. Let me go second left. Ooh! So maybe we try and go there, because there was going to be a I was going to turn in. There was a 90-degree right hand, which is this one, and then first left onto Oryx, which is where I probably was. So this is a 9-degree left that I was meant to be on. Okay, I'm not going to engineer this. Let's just go backwards. I don't really know.